Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 26 from D exercises in James Stewart calculus. So you're now asked to find the exact trig ratio values for this angle. So we have to find where that is on the unit circle and use the coordinates there. So if you count in the anti-clockwise direction, you're going to have negative 2 pi here. And if you take another revolution, you're going to have negative 4 pi. And if you now take half a revolution, here would be negative 5 pi. So you're going in the clockwise direction. So one revolution would be minus 2 pi. Another revolution would be minus 4 pi. And if you now take half a revolution, which is minus pi, so you're adding minus pi to that, which is minus 180 degrees, you're going to land there. And here, this is where we usually have pi or negative pi, and the coordinates there are minus 1, 0. X coordinate corresponds with cosine, and the y corresponds with sine. So let's start finding our values, starting with cosine. So cosine of minus 5 pi is the same as cosine of 5 pi, which is, now we're just going to take the x coordinate, which is minus 1. And sine of minus 5 pi, which is the same as negative sine 5 pi. You're going to take the y coordinate there, which is 0. Tan of minus 5 pi would be the y coordinate divided by x. So tan is y over x, that is 0. Then sec of the same value, minus 5 pi, will be the reciprocal of cosine, which is minus 1. Then cosec of minus 5 pi will be the reciprocal of this value that we got for sine. So 1 over 0 would give us undefined behavior. And finally, cotan or cot of negative 5 pi will be the reciprocal of tan. 1 over 0 once again gives us undefined behavior.